how to delete all videos from TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete all videos on TikTok. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application TikTok with your account. Alright, so after you open the application with your account, you'll got such interface. So from your, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so after you come on the profile section, you will be able to view all of the videos that have been posted on your TikTok account. So now from your, here is no options like you can delete all videos at once. So for that, you can go with this alternative method. So for that, you'll have to tap on three lines just at the top right corner. Okay, from here, tap on settings and privacy. And now from here, scroll down a little bit and go with the option activity center. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and you have to go with the option manage post visibility. So you have to tap on it. Alright, so from here you'll see every videos that you have been posted. So simply you have to select that videos whom you want to delete. So simply you have to select that videos and now from here you'll have to tap on next. Okay, so now from this option you will be able to update the selected post privacy. So from here you can go with the option everyone, friends or only you. So right now you want to delete your TikTok videos, so you can as usual go with the option only you. So after you select only you, you'll have to just tap on the update option. Alright, so after you tap on that, you'll be able to add that all videos to your only me profile on TikTok. So this is the alternative method to delete all the videos on TikTok. So that video will be come under your only you section. So that video will no longer be viewed in your profile. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.